This is how to change FAVICON on Vercel. From your dashboard, select the project, then go to repository, then go to app. So we have here favicon.ico. You will just remove this and change it with the same file name. So we'll just remove this. So just click this three dots and delete file. Then just click commit changes. Proceed to commit changes. Then we will add a file, upload files. We'll choose our file. We'll choose our favicon and just click commit changes. Then we will refresh this so that we can see the changes. And our favicon has been replaced. So this is how to change favicon on Vercel.